Arthur Atayde is a Spanish-Filipino businessman known for managing family-owned entertainment ventures and being the patriarch of the Atayde family in the Philippines. Atayde is married to renowned Filipino actress Sylvia Sanchez, and they have 4 children: Arjo Atayde, Rhea Atayde, Jella Atayde, and Xavier Atayde. He met Sylvia in 1989, and after years of relationship challenges, they married on March 27, 2004, at Our Lady of Lourdes Church in Atayde. He is described as a quiet and humble individual who plays a critical leadership role in family enterprises. Atayde is primarily recognized for his involvement in Nathan Studios, Inc., a family-owned production company co-founded with his wife and children during the pandemic. Nathan Studios produces films, TV series, and live events contributing to the entertainment industry in the Philippines. Notable productions include Katli a Killer, Mrs. Piggy, Becoming Ice 35th Anniversary Concert, Hey Joe, and Topak. The company also collaborates with local and international partners to showcase Filipino productions, such as Katli a Killer being screened at MIPCOM Cannes. Beyond entertainment, the Atayde family collectively manages business projects, ensuring multi-generational decision-making and corporate continuity. This includes ventures like the Inasal Republic restaurant chain co-owned by his son Arjo Atayde and other partners. Atayde's family is an emerging force in both entertainment and business sectors in the Philippines. His children, particularly Arjo and Rhea Atayde, are active actors, and Arjo is also a politician representing Quezon City's 1st District since 2022. Arthur Atayde is a prominent Spanish-Filipino businessman who balances family, entertainment production, and entrepreneurial ventures, making him a central figure in the Atayde family's multifaceted professional and creative endeavors. Art's leadership in Nathan Studios enables the family to maintain creative and business control over their projects, fostering a tightly knit family enterprise. Atayde is a Spanish-Filipino businessman, husband of actress Sylvia Sanchez, and father of actors Arjo and Rhea Atayde. He is best known for his role in managing and co-producing projects under the family-owned production company Nathan Studios, Inc., which was established during the pandemic. Through Nathan Studios, he has been involved in producing films, TV series, and live events, making the Atayde family an emerging force in the local entertainment industry. In 1989, he met the love of his life, Sylvia. He was not romantic, but he was persistent. Best of all, he accepted her past, including her daughter, Pia Marie. They lived together for some time. According to Sylvia Sanchez, in an interview with Boy Abunda, their relationship struggled initially but eventually blossomed. After 15 years, they married at Our Lady of Lourdes Church in Atayde on March 27, 2004. Currently, he has 4 children: Juan Carlos Atayde Arjo, Maria Sofia Atayde Ria, Maria Angela Atayde Jella, and Juan Arturo Atayde Davy. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.